Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my second video. I'm going to show you guys how to make easy low budget clapperboard. If you guys noticed, I'm an English second language speaker. I might miss or use weird words. Hope you guys can understand. Thanks for joining another chapter in my life. Enjoy! Hi guys, how you doing? We're gonna make clapperboard today. I'm gonna show you how to make it. This is a ingredient what we need. These are wood blocks, masking tape, paint. I have white and black paint, and scissor, wipes, and this is a stem, letter stems, alphabet stems. And we need brushes to paint the block. This wood block, I think I bought at Amazon. Basswood. Yep, and here's my idea note. So this is the design. It's much smaller than the regular clapboard. But yeah. Okay guys, so first thing we have to do is paint these wood blocks, and we have to dry it for 30 minutes. So we're gonna color it black. Now we have to put masking tape or create that pattern on top. There you go. So I'm gonna paint white color at this area. Prepare your paint. Now I'm gonna paint here with the white paint. I prepared water, cup of water. I'm gonna squeeze paint just a little bit, you know, too much. I think that's enough. So I'm gonna paint here. Why I put halfway the masking tape? Because I wanted to just put my title here. That's why I block it. So only pattern gonna be remain on this top part. Wait a second. I'm missing one ingredient. What I didn't show you guys is a small hinge to able to make it together. But if you don't like put hinge, it's okay to make it separately and you can just carry it together or like use it together. Doesn't have to be together. So if it's separate, you can just like clap like that. If you put hinge together, you can just do like that. I have a hinge because I forgot to add it on the ingredient part. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna wait a little bit to dry. It only takes a few minutes for this paint. It's a alpha acrylic colors. This is from Korea. It's really drying fast. It's a fast dry acrylic paint. Just to make sure if it's not fully dry and when you try to overcoat it, like coat one more time, it's gonna kind of peel it, so it's not gonna be pretty. So make sure it's fully dry before you put another coat. Usually they have scene, take, roll, date, sound, but we don't need those. So I'm gonna just divide this to 3. You guys can measure it before you tape it so it can be equal. if the tape is too sticky, you can put it on your skin and take it off, because if it's too sticky, when you're taking off from the block, it can take off the paints as well. So okay, so good. Tapes. I'm gonna measure it. Anyway, so I'm gonna paint these lines too, because it's gonna be a white line. There you go. I'm gonna cut one more time this. I'm gonna try remove these masking tapes before it fully dry. That's not bad, but I wanna clean up a little bit. It's kind of dried already, so you can just go over with black paint. This is what happens when it's too dry, like fully dry, then you're taking off the tape. It can rip the paint off, so be careful when you're taking it off, like take it in kind of direction. I'm gonna clean that up, the edges, with the black paint, and then I'm gonna move on to the letters. I recommend you to use these square shaped brushes. It's really easy to do the edges. Oops. So now I'm gonna put the letters on the box. I'm gonna put scene, take, date. Here are the stamps. I just select the letters. So don't put too much paint on the stamp, so because you're gonna smudge it when you press it. There's a T. If you don't have alphabet, or if you prefer handwriting, you can totally write that. I just wanted to have the feeling of that typewriter thing. Every time when you use the stamp, you make sure remove the paint from the stamp, because it's gonna dry and you're not gonna be able to use it anymore. So there's my letters here. Scene, take, date. Take is a little bit, T is a little bit not so great, but when you look closely, I can tell it's T, and it's for me, so I'm okay with that. But if you're using for the interior purpose, make sure, you know, it's your interior. Make sure you like it, or make it clear. So this is how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna still put my channel name here, JinBerry. I'm gonna put hinge. I have these detail brushes you can use. It's good for writing letters. I'm gonna use those. And clean water. I'm gonna hold like this, So I'll put hinge this side. I'm gonna just put it in the middle. Just make sure it's outside, not like differently, because it's not gonna fit. So at first, I'm just marking with the nails, with screws. So there, it's done like that. So now it's gonna be together like this. You can't use the chalk black paint to use the chalk, and you can write things, but acrylic paint, if you use the chalk, it's not gonna be entirely clean when you clean after the writing. So I decided to put, you can coat with a clear paint, few coats, so make sure it's like coated, like a top coat. Or you can, I decided to put clear thick tape on it, so I can just use the whiteboard marker, but white color, and then I can just wipe it off after, so it doesn't really stain the wood itself. Here's a clear tape. That's it, guys. That's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I have a slippery hand. Tell me what you think about it, and if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.